welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing my latest order from Saks, but it'll be the newest bag from Strathberry. So let's go ahead and jump right in. This box is very big. And the bag actually came in another box. And it looks like just to pull. And we have my newest bag. So here is the bag dust holder. So I really like that it's like a separate little tote. And let's pull this one out. Oh no. Oh no, I ordered the wrong size. Oh no. Okay, so I just realized I ordered the wrong size, but I'm already into this and I figured it'll still make good content. But I just double checked my order. So this is the Strathberry Midi Croc embossed leather tote. I wanted the size up from this, so the midi is the medium. I wanted something that could hold my laptop, so unfortunately this one won't be going back. I thought I grabbed the right one. I will say though, this bag is absolutely stunning. Like, I'm absolutely in love with it. I can't wait for the larger one to come in once I return this, because this is beautiful. Again, I will still do an unboxing. Like, I will still share this bag with you guys in dimensions. It's just, I can't believe I did that. I read the wrong one. Again, sorry, that also just kind of like completely threw me off. So this video will be over Strathberry Midi Croc-Embossed leather tote. This bag is 11.5 inches in width, 9.5 inches in height, and 6 inches in depth. And then you have a 3.5 inch drop, and then it also comes with a beautiful leather strap, which you'll find on the interior. Oh, and this interior is beautiful. And it'll be the same design, and the strap is 21.75 inch drop. So it's a great tote. Again, I wanted the larger one to fit my laptop. This one will fit, well, of course we'll do what fits, but it definitely will not fit in a MacBook. Like, for example, here's my 13 inch and it's definitely wider than this without even putting it in. So it definitely won't fit in MacBook. It can fit in iPad Pro, like 11 inch, based off of the description, as well as the mini. So one thing I love about Strathberry's site is that they will tell you what products fit in there. Yeah, and on the interior you have these gold D-rings so that you can use the strap if you want, a magnetic closure. What I love is the details. So even this lining on this pocket has the Croc material, and then on this side you have a zip closure that is the Croc material, as well as the zipper has the material as well with the Strathberry logo. This is an absolutely stunning and beautiful bag. As y'all know, I have the nano version of this and I love it for a going out bag. I love the design. You have a single handle, which is nice if you ever want to wrap a twilly around it. And then it's closed like this because of that magnetic closure, but the style is to use their signature bar to close it, and it's still a great, I really do like this size actually, but I need one to fit my MacBook. But this is just an absolutely stunning and beautiful bag. Let me zoom out just a little bit so y'all can see. I love that all their bags have feet. So you have the Strathberry here, and then here is what the side looks like. So absolutely stunning bag. I love this Croc material. It's such a nice material. I can't get over like the quality of this bag. Strathberry, as y'all know, has become my favorite brand because I just absolutely love them. Their attention to detail, their design, and then just the quality. So yeah, that is the midi tote. First impressions. Now let's go over what fits. So as y'all saw, a 13-inch MacBook will not fit. Here is a medium ring agenda. So I have my Chanel agenda, and that will fit in here. Let me grab my GM agenda. So here's this one, and it should fit. So this is an A5 agenda, and so it technically fits. So I think y'all can see that. It technically fits. It will not close because it's just a little too tall, but it will fit inside. And so if you're just using the strap, you know, you can just leave this open and you can still fit it in here. But I will say the best thing to fit in here is probably going to be that medium ring or a small ring agenda. So we have that. And then here is my ROSIE wallet. This is a full-length wallet, just to show y'all how a full-length wallet would fit. We could do vertical and it will close. Just know it is popping out just a bit, but it will definitely fit horizontal. And then let's see what else we got. I have my pochette accessory that has like my chargers and everything. I like to keep this, keep all my tech stuff in here. And to show y'all how that looks. Let's say you want to pack that, your full length wallet, and then maybe like a pocket on the go agenda. Let's take the strap out. You can fit those in there and it'll close fine. If you want to bring your medium ring agenda, let's grab the monogram. Upright, it does fit in, but it's again the thing where it will not close. So if you want the bag to close, you would have to put it on its side. And let's see how a full length wallet would also fit in here. So this magnet isn't catching, but you can still close it just fine with all those in there. So again, that you have a lot of space width-wise. You just have to be careful with what you put vertically. But yeah, that is those accessories. Those accessories. Here's my GM cosmetic case, and I definitely wouldn't use that one in here. It definitely will take up most of the room, but just to show y'all how it fits in here, we have that. And then on the side, you can fit your phone in this pocket, and this is a 13 Pro. So yeah, other than that, that is an unboxing for the mini tote. Again, I will be returning this to get the larger size just because that's what I need, but it is nice to see what fits, and this will be a good reference video for me if I do later on decide to get the midi. I just want this exact one in the regular size. So yeah, other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.